friends, welcome to my tutorial. This is how to do a pirouette turn from ballet in about 4 easy steps. Our first phase we're going to break it down is our preparation. So you're going to start with your feet completely flat on the ground, but you're going to take your hips, knees, and your ankles and feet and turn them outwards. So you're going to have your heels touching at about a 90-degree angle, and your arms will come up and rise right in front of you with your nice arm from your shoulder, elbow, wrist, down to your hand. Nice soft rounded arm supported by your shoulders engaged in the back. The final part of our preparation phase 1 is we're going to take both of our arms and our right leg and open them up out to the side as a presentation. Your shoulders are still engaged in that back. You see your shoulder blades press together, as well as lifting up in your core and extending that leg out with a pointed foot to make sure that that hip stays turned out and you keep that nice line. The second part of our preparation phase is a plie, which means to bend. So we're going to take our right arm and our right leg and close them in. So we're going to close them and bring that leg behind us and bend both knees. This sets up a nice foundation, like a springboard. You're evenly distributing your weight from your hips between your front and back leg, so your center of gravity stays right where you bend, as well as your arm coming in, because this will provide momentum for that turn. And so this is just a nice little get ready to launch position. So once this plie has occurred, phase 3 is the actual turn. So you're going to take your force from your plie, you're going to have that nice angle in your knee, and you're going to push up with your force. And this left leg that you're standing on will actually go in releve to where you're standing on the top of your foot, on the ball of your feet, and those big toes in the front. Your right leg will come up to passe, which gently rests right below your knee. Your right knee is turned out to the side. Your ankle is facing the audience, also turned out, and that foot is pointed. And during the turn, this outside arm also comes in to join to provide that rotation to turn around. So you're going to plie, and then at all the same motion, you spring up, bring that arm in, and the rotation pulls you around. The final stage is when you come out of that turn, and we call it a finish. So let's say I turned, and you land. You have to fall out of it. So the landing I chose is out of the turn. We extend that leg back, so our hip extends behind us. Our foot is still turned out, so that ankle is rotated slightly down to the floor, but still keeping that hip square. We have our left arm out extended with those nice soft hands, and we have our right arm out in front of us. And this upward lift guides our chest and our chin up, so the audience can see us breathe. So now let's try it all together.